Hi, it's Sandra, and today I'm going to pick my winner for April. And just so you can remember, I have two maniology plates that I was giving away. One is M93, and it's called Coral Reef. And the other plate is M296, which is Tropical Punch. And these are really cute summer plates. And I am going to do a pick right now. And good luck to everybody who entered. And we will see who the winner will be. All right, so here we go. All right, and the winner is at Love for Polish Zama 455. It says at Love for Polish Zama 455. I'll zoom in on here so you can see it. And good luck to you, or not good luck, but congratulations. And all you have to do is email me at nailstampology@gmail.com with your mailing address. And this will go out in the mail Monday or Tuesday. So thanks for everybody for watching. And congratulations again to Love for Polish Zama 455. Thank you.